Hello, good afternoon, children. Today I am going to teach you a very interesting story of Androcles and the lion. Children, long ago, in ancient time, slavery was in practice, and in those days, masters were very cruel and they get lots of work from their slaves and they do not give them sufficient food to eat. This is the story of one of them, and it is the story of a slave Androcles. Even the master of Androcles was very cruel. He get lots of work, but he does not give them sufficient food to eat. And he was very cruel with his slaves. That's why Androcles decided to get rid from his masters. He wanted to escape himself from his masters, so he decided to run away. And he disclosed this matter to one of his friend Benedictus. Benedictus warned him if he would be caught, then he would be thrown before a hungry lion, because he knew his master is very cruel. And this was also happened. At night, Androcles managed to run away. And when he went to a forest, he slept there. He passed his night there. He covered himself with some dry leaves. But in the morning, when Androcles heard the roaring sound of some gigantic lion, and he wanted to run away from there. But all of a sudden, he felt that the lion was wounded. There was a thorn, a stick in his paw, and he was feeling very pain. In that case, Androcles decided to take the thorn out from the lion's paw. So he showed his courage and went to the lion and picked up the thorn from the lion's paws and threw it away. The lion felt his painless and behaved just like a pet dog with Androcles, as if he was giving thanks for his kind work, and went to the jungle. After some times, the master of Androcles arrived there with some brave soldiers, some strong soldiers, and ordered his soldiers to catch Androcles and take him to the city. He decided to throw the Androcles before a hungry lion. There was a great crowd to see how his master is going to give the punishment. A cage was placed in the center of the pavilions, and there was a hungry lion. He was moving in that cage. At the same time, some soldiers went there, arrived there, catching Androcles and put the Androcles into the lion's cage. The lions leaped towards the Androcles, and Androcles fell down. But the lion recognized the person who helped it in the forest and behaved friendly. The master was very surprised to see the behavior of the lion towards the Androcles. So he was very surprised, and Androcles was called before the king, and the king, the master, asked about the incident, and Androcles disclosed all the matter in front of his master, that how he pulled the thorn from his paws and get him relief from the pain. So the lion also behaved friendly, and he did not kill Androcles. The master was very pleased to know the story, and he decided to free the Androcles. But before to get his freedom, he also requested to his master to get the lion free also, because he behaved very friendly with a human, and he also requested him to get the lion free. And at last the master get the lion free also. This story teaches us that we are human beings and we should have humanity. We should feel pity for all the creatures. Thank you, children. Now you must read the story nicely and try to get it, and also learn all the question answers and word meanings that was sent